guys, how you guys doing?
I'm doing fine.
I am. So basically guys, I thought I'm just going to whip my camera out and vlog a bit because we are going to Cambridge. We're going to break Cambridge. We all why are you looking at me like that? We're going to Cambridge, aren't we? We are going to Cambridge. Hopefully we'll be able to show you around Cambridge. So we're just going for like 2 nights, so I will show you some bits involving Cambridge. So at the moment I'm just going to the shop to go back and buy some stuff. Yeah, we're just going to see relative in Cambridge, so nice change of scenery. So I'm going to take you along with my lovely family in the car. Yeah, so I'm just going to my local shop here to pick some bits and bobs because I forgot that I didn't even buy anything. We're just coming to this really nice cafe. Good morning. Hi. Guys. So that's the fancy bridge. This pathway apparently leads to all the way to Cambridge itself. So we're not going to Cambridge town centre today. Probably tomorrow we'll go to Cambridge town centre, but we're just going to walk over this bridge. It looks so nice. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back. So basically, yeah, we came back from Cambridge yesterday. I'm so sorry I couldn't really vlog in Cambridge because the weather was honestly like, I'm not going to even sugarcoat it, it was shite. You know, we have the, what is it called, we have this storm Eunice. So I think we only just have one day that was decent, but I tell you the truth, it was still honestly still very windy, so we just went for a little walk here and there. But we managed to go to the botanic garden, so that was really nice. That was the day before storm Eunice, so that was really lovely. So yeah, I couldn't really vlog that much. I thought I'm going to show a little bit more, but because of the weather situation, it just went pear-shaped. So we, just in case you see me like this, like I did like an egg mask on my hair, like my hair has been a mess, so I thought I'm just going to do a little bit of treatment. And I woke up this morning, so this is evening by the way. I woke up today, I was just in the mood of just pottering about in the house, like sorting things out, cleaning, and basically just, you know, some days are just like that you just wake up and you just want to kind of sort your house out a bit. And yeah, that's the vibe. I was doing a lot of washing. I have a lot of clothes upstairs that need folding, like I've been honestly really cleaning. So it's dinner time, so we are having fish. So I'm going to make this is a big fish, so I'm going to cook this fish maybe with, hopefully with rice, so that then I will be showing you guys what I do with my fish. This is like Saturday, well done. This is like on Saturday chill dinner that I will be making today. So yeah, so basically these are all the ingredients I will be trying to use with my fish today. So I'm just going to try and blend it, put the fish and just sort of cover it with the tomatoes and everything on the pan and put it in the oven to bake for like, okay, thank you my darling boy, and hopefully it will bake for like 30 minutes because I don't want the fish to be too overdone. So guys, this is everything that I have blended. Sorry about the mess that is at this side. I just cover the fish. Can you see guys? Sorry. I just cover the fish with this sauce. Like you could see a bit of green stuff. I added like fresh parsley. I blended a bit of fresh parsley because I just wanted that you know, the freshness. So it's just kind of put a lot of If you see what I mean.
Just so I know what it is. So, yeah.
You? So that's my rice, saffron rice I'm cooking. And I quickly just made like pepper sauce. This is really spicy. But usually I make something like this, I freeze it and just put a little bit out in a tub. So whenever we're eating, you can just, if you need your food to be spicy, so you can help yourself. This is the fish. So I'm just going to see if it's done. Basically, this is it now. Is it done? Oh no, not quite, not quite, not quite. So here we go. The fish, I think the fish is nicely done. And I did a nice salad. Then I'm just waiting for my rice to be done. Then we're there. So the fish is looking good. Bam. Whew. Okay, my husband just used the word, you are very disorganized this morning to me. It seems like I have so many things that I am doing and I don't know. There's no plan, there's nothing. I'm just like tapping here, tapping. I'm exhausted. Anyway, I'm in the car. I'm going to London, guys. Look at my hair. It's a mess. So I'm going to London. I'm thinking. So actually today is Davido concert and I am going to the concert today. I am honestly excited. So it's just like I've managed to do a lot of things at home. Now I can breathe. Look at my nails. My nails is a mess. My hair is a mess. Like I'm a mess this morning, but I managed to sort the house out. So I'm going to be driving to London. Hopefully, I'll be able to do my hair, probably do my nails, and get ready for this Davido's concert. And I think it's at 6:30, and I'm meeting my friends around 4:30 in London. So it's going to be a very fun night. So I'm just like so tired. So guys, I just came to London. I just parked my car. I'm just going to quickly drop my suitcase. You could hear my suitcase actually making noise. Then I'm going to go to Peckham. So I'm going to hop on the bus and hop to Peckham because I don't really know the parking situation in Peckham, so it's easier for me to do it this way. So basically, yeah, that's it. It's not easy. So guys, I'm here. So I've washed my hair. So I'm just about to fix my hair now. Oh my god, I look so tired. I don't know if I could put my camera here, but it's so busy here. Probably when the hair is done, I'll show you guys. So busy here. I managed to make it out of the house. So this is the makeup I'm putting on. So I'm heading to O2 to go see Davido. I keep calling it Davido, I don't know why. So I'm just at the train station trying to head to Waterloo. So from Waterloo, I'm going to go catch up with some of my friends. They're already in Canary Wharf in a restaurant. So typically I am late. Like we were meant to be there around 4. It's already close to 6 o'clock, and the concert doesn't start till 6:30. I think they'll be leaving there 6:30. So I need to really get there. I actually spoke with you guys is when I was going to Davido. I don't even know if I did a proper vlog with that. I don't think I actually did a proper vlog with that, but I went to Davido concert. It was absolutely late. Like I have not been out. I haven't been to any concert, club, bars, for the longest time because of COVID, but I managed to go, and it was so packed. It was completely full, like proper sold out. I know some people are like, oh, maybe it's not sold out. Initially, I was just like, oh, is this venue actually sold out? Because they were spaces. I was just like, all these big celebrities, they're just packaging themselves initially. But when the thing actually started, every seat, people were like, people that were standing on the ground, because I was sitting at the top a little bit. People that were standing, there were a lot of people, absolutely completely packed. So it was so late. I had the most wonderful time. This song, but the only thing I would just criticize Davido for is like he brought out too many artists. I know that he's trying to help other people, but at the end of the day, we pay some coins. We pay some coins to go see him. I thought he just brought too many artists that sometimes I'll be asking my friend, oh, who is this person? Oh, who is it? I think it was my son's birthday on Wednesday. Today is Friday, and his party is going to be on Saturday. So I'm just in the process of trying to make cake. So sorry guys, I'm still on my loungewear. Not on my loungewear. I've been to my boot camp. I'm back. So I thought I'm just going to quickly bake his birthday cake. So I'll be showing you, I don't think I'll be showing you the process of baking, but if you guys are interested in the right recipe, I could type it in the description box, then you can give it a go. So I'm going to be making, he said he actually wants a vanilla and a chocolate cake. So this is what I will be doing for him, and I try to be organized a little bit this time. So I've done some, these are this kind of sweetie, but they're not going to eat it because they're really old sweet. So this is going to be in the decoration. I'm going to use to decorate the where I'm going to put the cakes. So I've done the party bags here. So the party bags are there. So I've bought the snacks. I've bought this is a big bag. It's full of things actually. So now so now let's go bake, and I'm going to do the balloon thing today. It's going to be a very, very busy weekend, and I have some friends coming over to stay, so I'm going to be completely what's the word I'm looking for, really tied up. Oh, let's crack on my things. So I'm just about to do the measurements, and then I'll show you guys. This is what I have done so far. So I have chocolate, vanilla, kind of done it like this. So I'm just beginning to assemble them together. Man, it's not easy. I'm just hoping that this will be enough to cover it, but I really doubt it. I don't understand it. Anyway, this is where I am at the moment. So I'll show you the finished part. Look at me. I look absolutely exhausted. I am so tired. I'm so tired at the moment. Whew! It's not...
don't